Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So recently I got this product sent over to me by a company, and so they wanted me to, I guess, review their product, and they also sent me some extras for a giveaway. So I'll go ahead and show those right here. I have 5 extras right here, and I will be doing a giveaway on these. And let me go ahead and tell you all the instructions for that. Go ahead and leave a comment down below. Go ahead and leave your Instagram handle so I can go ahead and reach you from Instagram. And that's about it. I'll go ahead and text y'all a message after 2 days. I'm going to be doing this in 2 days, and that's when you'll receive a message if you win. However, there is a quick disclaimer. This will only be for the US. I will not be shipping outside of the US yet. Hopefully, I'll be able to do that in the near future, but as of right now, it's only going to be for the US, and that's about it. So they went ahead and sent this to me. It is a Kickstarter. I will go ahead and leave a link down below if y'all want to support it so you can get one of these. And so it seems like a pretty cool thing. If y'all haven't watched my video recently, the video I made about the Moft wallet stand, this is a similar thing to it. However, it's made for the iPhone 12 series with the MagSafe that they have, so it is MagSafe compatible, and you will also be able to use it with different devices as well. So let's go ahead and check out the box real quick. It says Jesser. I guess that's going to be the name for that product, Jesser. And it's called the Magnetic 2-in-1 Wallet Stand, Magnetic Phone Stand, Cards Holder, High Quality Leather. So I'm going to go ahead and test out all these things and see how it is. It goes ahead and shows you a little, I guess, a little picture frame right here with how it looks like. So portrait mode, floating landscape mode, 2 cards, containable. So that's pretty cool right there. You're able to keep 2 cards inside of it, and they have a lot of colors. As you can see, this one's going to be for the big, so this is going to be the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Middle is going to be iPhone 12 Pro and 12. And the small is going to be the iPhone 12 mini, obviously. And they also have the colors right here. So I do have an iPhone 12 in front of me, so I'm going to go ahead and get a medium, the middle-sized one. So let's go ahead and check these out. And here it is. So there's a California Poppy. And I'll go ahead and check out, one second. There should be a Baltic Blue, which would be really nice with the blue iPhone 12. So this one's the middle and Baltic Blue. So this is going to be perfect for the phone I have in front of me, the blue iPhone 12. And let's go ahead and check out the content. So I'm going to go ahead and put this to the side and go ahead and unbox this for y'all. Okay, so that's about it. Nothing else in there. We do get ourselves a little magnetic wallet stand in front of us. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. And as you can see, we also have a magnet here. So I'm going to go ahead and explain what that's for. So this is not only meant for the iPhone 12. The main reason is for the iPhone 12 and its MagSafe compatibility. But if you have another device and you want to go ahead and purchase this, you can most definitely do that and still use the magnetic feature. So in front of me, I have a little magnet, and the magnet on there will connect to this. And you can go ahead and put this on a phone case, or you can just connect it directly to your phone by taking the sticker off and plopping it on there, and you'll be able to use it. So it's pretty cool that you're able to do that. And we also have this instruction manual. Nobody needs to read that. It's pretty cool that they got this, because if you don't have a MagSafe device, so any of the iPhone 12 series, this will be pretty nice to have, and it'll be an enjoyable product to use. So you're able to keep your cards in there, and you're able to have a stand. So let's go ahead and put this to the side and look at the main thing. So first up, let's check out the modes real quick. So as it said, it has this portrait mode, which I guess is like this. And then if you put this sideways on your iPhone, so if your iPhone's landscape mode, this will be like a floating stand, I guess. And then you're also able to keep 2 cards inside of here. So you have your little card slot. And they made this very similar to what Apple has with their MagSafe wallets. You go ahead and take this off and you slide your cards out like this. Personally, I don't really like that. It is a little harder. I would prefer the one on my Moft wallet case where you can actually like open this up right here and you can take out your cards easier. But it is what it is, and I guess they tried making like a similar design to what Apple has, so it's a little more convenient and looks a little better. So the overall feel, as it said, it's like this leather, and it feels pretty nice in the hand, obviously. And it's not really thick, so it will not extrude too much out of the back of your phone. And now let's go ahead and put it on here. So it's easy as just plopping it on there. Boom, it's already connected, and then you can go ahead and just turn it a little so it's connected the way you want it to, which is a perfect fit, as you can see right there. So this looks pretty nice, especially since I have the blue one and I got the Baltic blue. It would be a little nicer if this was like a similar blue to this, but this looks more like the 12 Pro blue since it is a matte finish. So let's go ahead and test it out real quick. Our portrait mode, as you can see, stands up perfectly, and I'm pushing it down right now, nothing's happening. So a pretty solid stand right there. And then we can do landscape by just plopping that like this and turning it around. Boom. And then opening this stand again, and we have our portrait mode right here, which that's pretty nice. You have this little floating, I guess, stand. It's pretty cool right there. It's pretty convenient, especially when you're watching something on your phone. And then we also have our wallet mode. So you can go ahead and plop two cards inside of there, and to use it, you'll go ahead and just take this off. Boom. And you'll go ahead and slide your cards out. So pretty useful, pretty convenient, especially with MagSafe. It does work through MagSafe cases. I did go ahead and test it out, but with the normal case, it does not work, because the normal case, usually since the magnets on here aren't the strongest on the MagSafe thing, you have to have another MagSafe case so it can actually connect to that case. But without a MagSafe case, it works perfectly, and with the normal case, it doesn't really work. It doesn't stick on too well, so it will probably drop, and you will not be happy if you lose your cards in there. So my rating for this is, it's a pretty good product overall. I'll go ahead and give this a 7 out of 10 because I really did enjoy everything, except I'm going to be taking off those 3 points because of the card feature. It's not the best. I really didn't like the one Apple made as well. And so this one, since it's similar to that, I don't really enjoy it. And that's why I'll be taking 3 points off of that. And that's about it. So as I said, if y'all want to go ahead and support this Kickstarter, I believe they've already reached their goal and they've already surpassed it by a lot. But I'll go ahead and leave a link down below for this product, and you can check it out if y'all want. So far, as I said, it's 7 out of 10. It's a pretty useful product, especially with the portrait mode. The landscape mode, because if you watch movies or stuff on your phone and you're just laying down on the desk or whatnot, you'll actually want to use that because it's going to be nice to have something hold up your phone and you're able to watch it properly. So that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as I said, if y'all want to join the giveaway, I have 5 more right here. Let me go ahead and show that to you. I have 5 more. If y'all want to go ahead and join the giveaway, just leave down your Instagram handle and you will be able to join it. So that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.